So you're watching movies on your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max, but all the vocals and dialogues are getting lost in, background music and ambience. Well, here's how to increase sound for vocals and dialogues and make movies sound much better. So first, from the hamburger menu, go to Settings on your Fire TV Stick. Then from here, open Display and Sounds. And then let's open Audio. Now here, you'll find an option called Dialogue Boost. Now, it's usually turned off by default. Just open it and you can increase the boost level up to heightened or as needed. Now, this will make voices much clearer over background music and sound effects. Now go back one step and now we'll recommend you to open Advanced Audio Settings. And here, just go ahead and turn on Dolby Dialogue Enhancer. Now, this helps improve voice clarity even more, especially when watching movies or shows with heavy background sound. Once you're done, just go back and try playing anything. You should notice the dialogues sound much clearer and easier to hear now. Happy watching!